game of tactics. Honorable BC, because then the white are doing it. Because game organizers, because the American men, because they need to be properly received. Because they say the Russian are VIP, because they say the Russian are VIP. The second set, Africana Abraham knowledge he can hear battle. Because when there was no clearly in that fight. Yeah, the fourth stage is on. This one seems to be the top fight. This one seems to be the top fight. Okay, am I everybody with you?